Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of tutorials on cybersecurity. In previous lecture we have seen that how can we change the permissions on file for a particular user, group of user or other users. And you might remember that we have solved these examples. So now let us start with octal notations and try to simplify these things. So if you know about octal notations, you can have number starting from 0 to 7. Try to represent these in binary. So it should be triple zero, then 001, and so on, and finally all the ones in 7. So when we are talking about a read, write and executable, consider these as 1 1 1 when all the writes are given, and 0 0 0 when none of the writes are given. So whichever write you want to give to user or group of user or other users, you have to place 1 for that permission. So try considering not giving any write. So what will you do? We'll give 0 for that thing. Okay. So this is for only one user or only one set of entry. So if you talk about 3 user, group of user and other user, then you have to write 0 0 and 0. So basically you have to understand how one set of entry will work, and then you can provide some other set of entry or number to groups and some different to other users. Okay, so let us just learn about one entry only. So if you are revoking all the rights, you have to give it 0, right? If you want to give only executable right, so how will this work? Read will be 0, write will be 0, and executable will be 1. That means 0 0 1 will work for that, and you have to write 1 for this. So let us try this entry and see what is this. So write it here and try to understand which permission we are giving to that particular user. So this is read and this is executable, and we are revoking rights for writing on a file. So this is basically fifth denote that we are giving reading and executable right. Here we are giving only executable right, and this will work so on. You can also do like this. For this we are giving no right. Here we are giving read and not read and write, but we are giving the executable. Similarly here we are giving rights for writing. Here we are giving rights for writing and executing. Here we are giving rights for reading only. Put dash in front of writing and executable. Similarly for the this one, make this dash, then executable, and here reading, writing, executable, and here we are giving all the rights. Clear? So this is how octal notation works. So let us see some examples. So example 1. So when we write chmod ugo plus rwx, we can also write chmod for ugo. That means for u you are giving all the rights, g you are giving all the rights, for the o you are giving all the rights. That means 7 for u, 7 for g, and 7 for o, and then file name at the end. So this is how it works. Try considering second example. Let us suppose you have chmod u equal to r, g equal to write and executable, and for others you are providing reading and executable rights. So pause this video for few minutes and try exploring or try finding out what should be octal notation for this. So answer is it should be chmod, and when we are talking about writing only, then see the writing only. This is 4, so we have to write 4. Reading, writing and executing. So where is the writing and executing part? here it is 3, so it should be 3. And then reading and executing, this is 5. So once you are familiar with this notation, you will do it immediately, but as of now you have to keep this table in your mind. Third question, now reverse it and try to convert from octal notation to the normal one we have discussed before. So it should be chmod. We have same permission for user and groups, so you have to write ug. Now we're adding all the permissions, so write plus, and it should be read, write and executable, then comma. For others, assign some permission, because we are not adding or removing but we are assigning permission. This is 5, so make it equal to, and what is 5, see it here, it is read and executable, so make it r and x. So you can try running these examples on terminal. So now we have a out file here. Try providing all the rights to this file. We are making it 777, and now see the permissions. You can see read, write, executable for all these. Try revoking all the permission. So for that you have to make it 000. See the permission again, and here you go. So this is how it works. So I think this is enough for this lecture. If you have any doubt or query regarding this, you can always write in the comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. So see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.